namaskaram andru ella unnaru andru bagunnaru anukuntunnanu. So guys, today we are going to be reacting to Akhanda, which stars our Balakrishna garu in it. So without wasting any time, let's go and check out the trailer, guys.
విధికి విధాతకి విశ్వానికి సవాళ్ళు విసరకూడదు.
Oh,
మేమేంటో అంచనా లేకుండా హామీలు చడ్డాం.
అంచనా వేయడానికి నువ్వేమన్నా పోలవరం డ్యామా పట్టిసీమ తూమా పిల్ల కాలువ.
look at the huge palace, guys.
ఆత్మ వాడు నా శరీరం.
40 మంది చచ్చారు నీ వల్లే. నాకు పొరదంటింది, నాకు వచ్చింది, నాకు బ్లడ్ వచ్చింది, నా గడ్డ వచ్చింది అని అడ్డమైన సాకులు చెప్తూ పనాపితే
Love the BGM, guys. Here arrives Akhanda.
కళ్ళు తెరిచి జూలు విదిలిస్తే
Wow.
ఒక మాట నువ్వంటే అది శబ్దం, అదే మాట నేనంటే శాసనం, దైవ శాసనం.
Wow.
ఒకసారి డిసైడ్ అయ్యి బరిలో దూరితే బ్రేక్ లేని బుల్డోజర్ని తొక్కిబారు దొబ్బుతా. లెఫ్టా రైటా టాపా బాటమా ఎటు నుంచి రేకు పెట్టుకోకినా కొడక ఇంచి బాడీ దొరకదు. మీకు సమస్య వస్తే దండం పెడతారు, మేము ఆ సమస్యకే పిండం పెడతాం.
Wow, what a dialogue.
బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ సేమ్.
Okay. Oh. Love the BGM, guys. Extraordinary BGM.
నేనే నేనే నేనే.
Oh my god, what an trailer it was, guys. Really, it gave me a goosebumps, to be honest. What an visual and a grand set. Oh my god, the BGM rocks, guys. Amazing BGM. I think big thanks to Taman for giving us such a good music. He does always magic in all the movies that he takes up as a project. Seriously. So let's talk about the trailer, guys. So you can see, of course, Balakrishna Garu, who's playing the lead role in the movie, and we can see that he's playing a two shades of role. So one is the common man and another is like a Ghori's character. And also we can see the lead heroine, which is played by Pragna, of course, Pragna Jaiswal. So we can see the glimpse of her. And also there is Jagapati Babu, who is playing a very significant role in this movie. And here comes the villain, the protagonist of the movie, which is played by Shrikant sir. I really love him, guys. Whenever he is into that protagonist role, all those eyes rolling out and people getting scared of him, I think his acting is like extraordinary. I'm really looking forward and I'm very keen to know the role of Shrikant sir in this movie. Since the trailer has been focusing on Balaya Garu more, so it is really entertaining to see him on the screen, and the powerful punching dialogues, guys, those are amazing. Overall, guys, talking about the trailer, it's really extraordinary. It has come out really well. Just by the trailer we are getting goosebumps. Just imagine when you see, you know, the protagonist taking over Akhanda, how it's going to be, how the visuals are going to be. It's definitely going to be grand for sure. So overall, guys, I love the trailer, and this movie definitely is going to promise an entertaining film of action and drama, a mix of both. So Akhanda is also to release on the theater, guys, on December 2nd. That is this year end. So please do go and watch this movie and show more love to this movie, guys. On that note, I'm going to end this video over here, guys. Meeki video nachite like cheyandi, share cheyandi, and comment cheyandi, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of all my new videos. So we'll see you with another interesting video. Until then, take care.